You're looking, my taste good, but I just had to redirect my cooking. I could have been an opener. I redirect my cooking. I read it all the
Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Toy. If you're new here, today is kind of like a vlog tutorial type of thing. So I have like bulk orders. I normally refer to drinks above 5 bottles as bulk orders, as far as I'm concerned. It's a bulk order, right? So I have 15 bottles of juice to deliver on Friday morning, and this is currently Wednesday night. So I'm going to do the juice this night, you guys. It's like 10:30 and I'm going to work tomorrow, but we'll go run now. Even if I sleep by 2 a.m, we go still run now. So I want to do the pineapples, but I want to kind of like wash it and like peel it, and I'll just show you guys the process before I juice it. In my juice video, I said I don't have an industrial juicer, and people were attacking in the comment section like, but I'm advising people. I said the juicer I have, the capacity is 25 bottles per day. Let me even show you guys the juicers I'm here, because it's right in front of me. This is the juicer. I bought it on Instagram from, I think it's called, this juicer, it's called Miss Mott's Ventures. It's a slow juicer, right? So I bought it and that's what I've been using. So I have the juice. I just want to show you guys the kind of pineapples I use. It's like a talk through kind of tutorial or vlog, if you take it as that. But yeah, just come along with me and let's make juice for a client. So guys, these are the pineapples I bought. See guys, my storage room, I've been in our kitchen, is very scattered. That's a knife on the floor right there, and that's a bowl I will use. This is the sack that the pineapple came in. So yeah, I'm just going to get to work. All right.
Långt från hemska kusten skär ska jag fira julen här på Hawaii. Ensam sjöman är långt från hemska kusten skär ska jag fira julen här.
Hi guys, this is another day. This is the day of delivery. So from that video that I told you guys, this is the straw I'm going to use. I didn't see the ones that are in paper. That one, like, I've run out of it, so I'm going to be using this one, and then I'm going to be putting it inside this hygienic nylon, as you can see. It's time to be putting stickers on the drinks. Sorry, the last time I was recording, it was not, I don't use my mic. These stickers are not designed for these bottles, but I just have a way of using it. Can you see? That's it. They don't block that though. But these ones are frozen, thick frozen. Thank you. My sister is at the background though. I have to give props to her because she's not here. My kitchen right now will be upside down. That's why I like to get somebody to help me. Oh, what did you think? Oh shit. That's why I like to help someone to, I like someone helping me whenever I have orders, so that I'm just cooking, person will be cleaning. Guys, so this is what the drinks are looking like. I'm currently done. I'm going to be putting everything inside this kind of bag now, this clear bag, right? Yeah. That's the end of this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video vlog. Please subscribe. Yeah, thank you.